Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit.
At sulit na sulit. Bulala.
Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
The best way to go further. Astronic Auto Supply is the answer. Astronic Auto Supply is the easiest way to locate and buy quality name brand auto parts and accessories. Astronic Auto Supply gives you very affordable price of tires like Goodyear, Bridgestone, Gajatunggal, Dunlop, Motolite batteries, Mobile lubricants, and automotive truck parts. Mobile motor oil help you go the distance time and time. Nothing works harder to keep your car, truck, van, or SUV running smoothly. Astronic Auto Supply, your fastest and most reliable source of automotive parts. General Segundo Avenue, Laoag City.
Design mo, print mo. Pwede yan sa T-Shirt Factory Laoag. Meron silang iba't ibang klase ng t-shirt printing at personalized print ng mugs, tumblers, keychains, puzzles, sport jug, bag tag, bottom pins, stickers, card decals, at personalized acrylic products gaya ng trophies, plaques, nameplates, table name signs, at iba pa. I-personalize mo na din ang inyong invitations, souvenirs, at giveaways. At para mas masaya ang okasyon, renta ka na ng kanilang photo booth. Unique. Create your own style. Saan ka pa? Dito ka na sa T-Shirt Factory. Barangay 11, General Segundo Avenue, Bacararo, City. Bangi Terminal. Call 300-0995 or 0942-560-2672. Like them on Facebook. T-Shirt Factory Laoag. Now accepting embroidery printing.
Ito ang 99.5.
Holding what was mine.
malilimutan mga araw natin kay sarap balikan. At lagi mong isipin, walang ibang mahal kundi ikaw. Malayo ka man, sana'y